everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a really popular detox tea, which is called Teami Blends. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of it, and I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it on Instagram. Now this is an all-natural line of different detoxes, so whether you're looking to get rid of that bloat, or whether you're looking to detox your body, cleanse your colon, or even get better sleep at night, these teas are great. So each tea has its own name. The one I'm talking about today is Teamiskinny, but I'm super excited because they're having a Valentine's Day sale, and I have two codes down below that you guys can use, and I think it expires actually on Valentine's Day. So if you do want to try these products, and I definitely do recommend using those codes down below to purchase your item. I'm showing you guys my red tumbler. So what I really love about their tumblers is not only can you put your tea in here, but you can also put your water in here or any other drinks that you're drinking for the moment. And also on the Teami Blends website, they actually have detox water recipes that you can use to make your own detox water at home. And also the tumblers do come with a strainer. So what I love about this strainer is that these teas are actually loose leaf. So whenever you pour the loose leaves in here, you want to make sure that none of those leaves get in your mouth, and this is the perfect thing to go ahead and put in there. So I love the fact that all the tumblers do actually come with one of these. Now the tumblers come in various colors, you guys, so be sure to shop their website to see which tumblers they have in stock. So in this tumbler you can apply cold or hot liquids. If you do apply hot liquids like I'm about to do, you definitely do want to make sure that it cools down a lot before you go ahead and pour it into here, and you want to make sure that you don't close the lid because the lid can actually pop open if the contents are too hot. So you want to make sure if you are using boiling water, just let it cool down a brief second before you go ahead and apply your detox tea. Smells great. So you can either drink the tea as is. It has a nice flavor to it, a nice tea flavor. If you love tea, then you know what I'm talking about when I say that tea flavor. But you can definitely go ahead and add stevia to this. You can add any type of sweetener that you would like. Some people use honey in it. Some people use lemon juice, which is one of my favorites. You can also add your apple cider vinegar. I know I talk about apple cider vinegar a lot on my channel, but you can add that to any tea that you drink and it'll give you great results. So it looks like it's blending up pretty well. You really don't even have to stir it. I mean, like, it just does the job on its own. The hot water kind of pulls all the nutrients from the actual loose leaves, and then you're ready to drink this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lid to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop the lid open like that. That way it can still kind of cool and that the contents do not burst. But that is pretty much it, you guys. I love Teami Blends tea. It's really tasty, really easy to use, and really easy to make. And that's what I absolutely love about Teami Blends. So if you guys have never tried a detox tea or had one of these tumblers, then I definitely recommend that you go on their website to get your own tumbler and your own tea and just try it out for yourself, because like I said, this stuff is amazing. You can use it for a variety of things. So look down below. I have two Valentine's Day codes. You can use that now up to Valentine's Day. If you guys are watching this after Valentine's Day, I do have an everyday code that you guys can use to get 10% off on the website, and that is TAB10. So all you have to do is apply that at checkout and you'll get 10%, and this code is valid every single day you wish to shop on Teami Blends. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.